Alrighty, so today got something special for you guys. I'm currently here at Champion Porsche. I'm waiting for my friend John to show up. He just got his brand new GT3RS. While he's on his way, I wanted to quickly run in here and show you guys the eye candy that is inside this building right now. There's some beautiful cars. I'm only going to show right here. I don't want to show anywhere too far in depth, only right here up front because he's almost here, so I feel like I only have about like 5 or 10 minutes. But before I show the feature, I hope you guys are well. Welcome back. Got something cool for you guys today, even though I kind of already said it. But anyway, let me show you guys what I got inside of here, and then I'll cut back to when John shows up. Alrighty, so he should be, there he is. Ooh, buddy. So John just got his GT3RS, I want to say like a week or two ago. He literally just got this car. Everybody, welcome to the channel, Mr. John himself. I'll pin his IG right on his shirt. I'll pin it right there. What's up, dude? How are you? Congratulations.
Thank you.
So how long have you waited for the car?
It took about less than a year, I'd say, which is amazing. That's amazing. But it got delayed a couple times. It happened. You know, there's issues with carbon fiber. What's it called? Factories. What can you do? Issues with parts. It happens. So it's here though.
Okay, so how long have you had it for?
About a month-ish.
About a month-ish, okay. And what's your favorite thing about the car?
So the DRS, I gotta say, DRS. And of course, the bucket.
All right, so real quick, before I do a little featurette on the car, does this say, does this say Jizzy RS on it?
Yes, it does.
Why?
My friends call me Jizzy. Yeah.
Dude, beautiful spec, man, for real. GT Silver with Pyro, is it Pyro Red or Inferno?
Pyro Red.
So, yeah, so Pyro Red, beautiful spec, dude.
My dad spec'd this out, actually.
So your dad spec'd it out?
Yeah,
okay.
I didn't spec it out, but this one, he wanted to do it himself. So I was like, go for it. And there's no colors I really wanted, to be honest with you.
Okay.
I wanted PTS.
So if you could do any PTS color, what would it be?
What's the purple one that's like white-ish? It's gemstone, moonstone.
Moon gem.
Moon gem.
Moon gem. That's beautiful. John, I gotta say, this is beautiful, dude. So, I hope you guys enjoyed that little bit of an intro. That intro was all over the place. I apologize for that, but it was all hectic because I wanted to show you the cars that I saw, and then John showed up. But anyway, we're on our way to the spot. We're finally focusing back on the objective for today. So, enjoy the video, guys. Enjoy the rolling footage and everything coming here. And I'll see you guys when I'm done. So, GT3RS's typically don't have the greatest of room. Actually, who am I kidding? They do. A lot more room than a 718. Imagine that. Imagine, yeah, who am I fooling? 911 has a lot more room. Imagine GT4 owners. What a bunch of losers. Imagine being a GT4 owner, right? Unreal. I got the keys to the car now. I'm gonna do my thing. I'm gonna enjoy shooting this here. I'm really enjoying this spot. The reason why is, as you guys will probably see in the footage, as I come over here, as you guys are gonna notice in the footage, you're gonna see a lot of yellows and stuff, but in the final images, the reason why I wanted to come here is because there's a lot of little hints of red here, and yellow I can manipulate and turn red. So you're gonna see the yellow posts, yellow floors, some red up on the walls and stuff, and then some orange tones from the sunset. I'm gonna be able to eliminate that, but still have somewhat of a nice orange reddish hue, which is gonna work very well with the GT Silver and work very well with all the red accents on this car, as you guys probably already saw. But yeah, so I don't even know why I keep saying but, that's amateur stuff. But anyway, enjoy the featurette, enjoy the video footage. I'll see you guys when I'm done. So as I'm shooting, random sun shower out of nowhere. Thanks, Florida. Thanks. That's all right. Back to it. I don't know, a little change of pace. GT Silver looks pretty good when it's wet, but let's get back to it. So midway through the shoot, gotta welcome back to the channel. I know how much you guys missed him. My really good friend, incredible videographer, and my editor too. Say hello to, well, don't say hello, but welcome back, Mr. Matt.
What's up? I don't know if they can hear you over the exhaust.
All right, fine. I'll turn off the car. There, is that better?
Yeah.
Okay, so for those that didn't hear me, welcome back to the channel, Mr. Matthew Ori.
What's up, guys?
Because God forbid, your GT3RS is louder.
You guys can't hear!
Back to the footage. Alrighty guys, ready to do some rolling shots. But before we do, these guys are messing with something. Maybe you guys can see, so obviously through my camera, I could see it too. So can you guys see these smudges right here? I don't need to look at that because I have the same thing.
Yeah, exactly.
So as you guys can see these smudges here, is this PPF?
Oh yes, this is PPF.
So the car is PPF'd?
Yes, it's PPF.
So what do you think the smudges are?
I think it's PPF, but it stretches a PPF.
So it stretches a PPF. What do you think, Matt?
Yeah, I think it's the way that they laid the film.
So I'll let you guys see, as you can see right here. See, without the polarizer, this is normal GT Silver. I don't see it anywhere else. Maybe like a little bit right here. But I don't know, maybe somebody in the comments might be able to help you, buddy.
Hopefully.
And just like that, everybody, we are all done with John's GT3RS. I got Matt in the back right here.
What's up?
Say something to the people.
Dude, honestly, I don't know. I'm hyped from just shooting just now. I don't know.
I always love giving Matt some cool stuff to do. Matt, like I said, Matt's a very creative person, and I always love giving him awesome cars to create with, allow him to do his thing, allow his mind to open up a little bit. But we're all done. Matt actually heads out to Las Vegas in the morning, right?
Yep. 4:50 in the morning.
At 4:15 in the morning, Matt heads out, and then I leave for California on Wednesday, and then I leave for Vegas on Wednesday, so I'm gonna bring you guys along for that. Leave Wednesday, I'm there Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday morning, and then you guys are gonna join me for a shoot there, and then I'm driving from Vegas to California, and then you guys are gonna be along for the ride for the week and a half. I'm gonna be out there. So again, there's Matt, here's me. I appreciate it, guys. Appreciate all the love, the comments, the reach outs, everything. You guys make what I get to do and what I get to bring Matt along to do. You guys make it a little bit more fun and more enjoyable. So again, thank you guys. Enjoy the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Peace.
Peace.